हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल गेट रेडी टू एम्प्लॉय। तो आज गाइस हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं जो कि करंट अफेयर के हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन हमारा, विच मेडल डिड इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स विन एट द ग्लोबल एम गवर्नमेंट अवार्ड 2025? इसके ऑप्शन हैं गोल्ड, सिल्वर, ब्रॉन्ज, ऑनरेबल मेंशन। तो इसका आंसर होगा ब्रॉन्ज। इंडियन स्टूडेंट ने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल को जीता एट द ग्लोबल एम गवर्नमेंट अवार्ड 2025। Indian students Sagar Teotia, Abhinav Mishra and Anushka Singh from Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, New Delhi won the bronze medal at the Global M Government Awards 2025 during the World Government Summit in Dubai. They were recognized for their AI-powered app Accessway, which promotes mobile governance and social inclusion for people with disabilities. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा, हु पास्ड अवे ऑन 8 फरवरी 2025 एट द एज ऑफ 97 एंड वॉज नॉन फॉर हिज सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन द एडवोकेटिंग फॉर तिब्बतियन ऑटोनॉमी। इसके ऑप्शंस हैं तेंजिन ग्योत्स्को, ग्योलो थोंडुप, लोमो थोंडुप, नमग्याल वांगचुक। इसका आंसर है ग्यालो थोंडुप। ग्यालो थोंडुप पास्ड अवे on 8 February 2025 at the age of 97 and was known for his significant role in advocating for Tibetan autonomy. Next question है, what is India's rank in corruption perceptions India 2024? 93rd, 96th, 100th, 105th. इसका आंसर है 96. 96 is the India's rank in the corruption perceptions index. Who won the 36th national title and 10th men's snooker championship at the यशवंत क्लब? तो इसके ऑप्शन है आदित्य मेहता, ब्रजेश दमानी, सौरव कोठारी, पंकज अडवाणी। इसका आंसर है करेक्ट पंकज अडवाणी। पंकज अडवाणी won the 36th national title and 10th men's snooker championship at the यशवंत क्लब. Which festival was launched by MOHUA to showcase India's cultural heritage through food, craft and photography? इसके ऑप्शन है भरत पर्व, शिल्प समागम मेला, culinary crafts and cliques, moods and magic, vibrant India's festival. तो इसका आंसर है culinary crafts and cliques, moods and magic. Megha Purnima in 2025 will be observed on which date? 10 February 2025, 11 February 2025, 12 February 2025, 13 February 2025. तो इसका राइट आंसर है 12 February 2025. मेघा पूर्णिमा in 2025 will be observed on 12 February 2025. What is the capacity of the first unit launched at the Khurja Super Thermal Power Plant by THDC India Limited? 660 megawatt, 1320 megawatt, 500 megawatt, 850 megawatt. करेक्ट आंसर है 660 मेगावाट। तो फर्स्ट यूनिट जो लॉन्च हुई है खुर्जा सुपर थर्मल पावर प्लांट पे, वो हुई है, उसकी कैपेसिटी थी 660 मेगावाट। हु वॉन द फर्स्ट प्राइज इन मेहर बाबा कंपटीशन सेकेंड? तो इसके ऑप्शन है फ्लीट RF प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ग्रेटर नोएडा, अयान ऑटोनॉमस सिस्टम्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड पुणे, इंडियन एयरफोर्स, ऑनरेबल रक्षा मंत्री। तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी, अयान ऑटोनॉमस सिस्टम्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड पुणे won the first prize in Meher Baba competition second. Ayan Autonomous System Private Pune won the first prize in Meher Baba competition second, a competition launched by Indian Air Force to develop swarm drone based system for detecting foreign objects on aircraft operating system. What report has been launched by Niti Aayog focusing on state public universities and higher education? Options are National Education Policy 2020, expanding quality higher education through states and state public universities, higher education reform report 2025, state universities and global competitiveness report. तो इसका आंसर है एक्सपेंडिंग क्वालिटी हायर एजुकेशन through states and state public universities has been launched by Niti Aayog focusing on state public universities and higher education. expanding quality higher education through states and state public universities. Niti Aayog has launched the report titled Expanding Quality Higher Education Through States and State Public Universities, focusing on the quality, funding, governance, and employability of state public universities. This report offers a comprehensive analysis and presents nearly 80 policy recommendations to improve India's higher education system in line with National Education Policy 2020 and Vision for Viksit Bharat. Last question हमारा, what is the significance of 12 February in the context of violent extremism? A. World Peace Day. B. International Day for the Prevention of Violent Extremism as and when conducive to terrorism. International Counter-Terrorism Day. United Nations for Human Rights. So correct answer is International Day for the Prevention of Violent Extremism and when conducive to terrorism. 12 February is observed as the International Day for Prevention of Violent Extremism and when conducive to terrorism, established by United Nations General Assembly. The day aims to raise awareness about the dangers of violent extremism, promotes peaceful solutions and strengthen international cooperation to combat extremist ideologies.